kayo.
Harap din yung okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Here's my day. Wait. Ako na lang. Ako na lang. Nagtanong pa. 1, 2, 3, go. Here's my day. This is what I do. I get up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
I take a shower at 7:30.
7:30. 7:30.
I have breakfast at 7:45.
7:45. 7:45.
I go to school at 8:50.
8:15. 8:15.
I start classes at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
I go home at 5:50.
5:15.
I have dinner at 7:30.
7:30. 7:30.
I go to bed at 10:45.
10:45. 10:45.
And then I start all over again.